What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my progression session number 2. Today I decided to skate an obstacle that I normally never skate. So one of my favorite skaters is dailyHow, and he normally skates a lot of like bank to ledges. So I decided, you know what, I'm gonna learn how to do that. So I spent the session messing with this bank to ledge.
So I got the Smith pretty easy. I want to try to get a Smith back 180. Try that one. Dude, after I fell that time, I didn't even want to try to do the back 180. Woo!
So I finally got some time to skate for myself. Just happened to be at night at my local park. They finally cut the lights back on. It is kind of sketchy because it's in kind of a bad part of Memphis. But yeah, nobody usually bothers us up at the skate park. Hopefully it stays that way, fingers crossed. Because I've been really going up there and taking advantage of this time to really push myself and try to work on some tricks. Because during the day, if you try to come to this park, I'd say really the afternoon, it's really crowded there. So it was nice to just go there and I get infinite amount of tries to just try whatever trick that I'm struggling with over and over again, or try brand new tricks. Because a lot of these sessions, like, you know, I would mix in some like brand new tricks to really push myself. I'd do some tricks to kind of warm up on, get comfortable, and then I'd be like, okay, well, what's a trick that I want to try that I can actually learn and push myself so I can add to my bag of tricks. And that's basically what these sessions are. They're progression sessions and kind of maintenance at the same time to tune up what tricks in my bag that are just, you know, I feel like I'm losing, or they don't feel as good as they should be. So, like as I was saying, here lately, I've mostly been filming other people skate. And it was nice to just kind of be alone and be by myself and just skate. Seeing what tricks that I could do new. Like that trick right there, brand new. Like I could do it flat, but I've never done it up anything or on anything. It was nice to just get to experiment in peace and just push myself over and over again. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and make sure you subscribe.